Family is made up of different prakritis. Trust me, nobody matches each other's prakriti. So you don't have to cook food for everyone separately. There are few pathya food items, or there are a nice list that Ayurveda provides us, which you can use or which you can incorporate in your day-to-day cooking. For example, green moong, that is universal pathya. Whether you are vata, whether you are pitta, whether you are kapha, green moongs will be going to pacify all three doshas. The same goes with the brown rice, honey, cow ghee, amla, turmeric, dry ginger. There are a huge list of food items which can be favorable to all prakritis. And we are also going to talk about this food list, which is called as Nitya Sevaniya Ahara. Nitya means regularly, Sevaniya means edible, Ahara means food. So there are food items which you can eat in any season, any for any person, without considering health condition, etc. So these are the universal pathya food items, and we will be talking about that in detail, how they benefits you, how to cook them, etc. At the same time, we will be talking about Anitya Sevaniya Ahara, which is the food items which you should very cautiously consume. That doesn't mean you should eliminate totally from your diet, but if you are consuming them, you have to be very cautious. You have to consider your prakriti, you have to consider your Agni, you have to consider your health condition, etc. So, this is the whole thing we are going to talk about in advanced course. How to cook food which will match everyone in your family. How to Which food to cook if somebody is sick in your family, if somebody is having fever, if somebody is having diarrhea, if somebody is having cough, cold, any skin rashes, etc. So how to cook simple food for those people also, so that at the same time you are also going to eat that pathya food, but that person suffering from any health condition, he or she will also be benefited. So you don't have to cook separately. Ayurveda will not increase your work in the kitchen.